Since Abakaliki became the capital of Ebonyi State, Nkaliki is one of the oldest area with lots of immigrants. So in our today's video, I'm going to take you to Nkaliki in 2024. You're going to see the latest developments, new things in that area, Ekeaba market where they sell all these ogbono and other seeds, okay, all these African spices. We are going to just drive by this area. I really hope you're going to enjoy the vlog, and if you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and drop your opinion at the comment section. This is our shopping mall here. You see everyday supermarkets. One of these days we'll come and visit shopping mall and see how it is. This 2024. Okay. There is a pedestrian bridge here. It's been long I came this way. Probably that's why I've not noticed this. Ebonyi State Railway Station. Yeah, this Ebonyi State will turn to the Anya of tomorrow very soon, the way it's going. The eyes of tomorrow in Southeast. I'm just seeing new things here. Okay, so they said that around that flyover, I want to go and buy ogbono. So she's telling me that that's the market that ogbono, you can get ogbono at the cheapest rate. Okay, that's why I'm going there. So the flyover we are going to be approaching right now is the connecting bridge between Nkaliki and the Centenary City. If you don't know the Centenary City, I have a video of it on this channel, okay? And if you also don't know Nkaliki, you're going to be seeing it in this video. I also have a video of old Nkaliki. So we are going to be turning through the side and we are going to go back to Spera. This is Spera flyover, okay? So we are going to go to Nkaliki through the other route. Just keep watching. Don't forget to like, drop your comment, and share this video too at the end. I hope you enjoy it.
Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị. Ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị. Ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Planning and scheming just for power. Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị. Ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị. Ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị. Ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. If I ever leave, oh, look what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Paradise, oh, yeah. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away. Yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's boy check, yeah. Music for the garden.
So if you look ahead, you're going to see the flyover. It is at that very flyover I made a U-turn initially and went back to Spera at the beginning of this video. Okay, so you can see this high tension. You just take your right hand side And then you can see all the new building is being built, okay? Is the Ekeaba market, the new one, okay? Majority of them located to this very place, okay? This is where you can buy ogbono at a very cheap rate in bags in Abakaliki, Nigeria, okay? So this is the market. Follow me so you see how the market looks. They are still building a lot of shops there. Maybe with time it's going to be bigger than it looks, but for now this is how it looks. And after we drove out of the market, I'm going back to go and show you the other side of Nkaliki that I did not show you initially. we are getting out of Nkaliki vicinity back to this is shopping mall area, okay? But for every part of this video I cut off, I feel that I'm cutting out a lot of things you guys would have seen, and that's why I decided to leave this part for you guys to still enjoy the views, okay? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in another one. Enjoy the remaining parts of the video.